I am with All Black legend Beauden Barrett. Bodie's about to upgrade now. Obviously, you've got a handicap straight away. You're a khaki.
Khaki, exactly. Off a 6 or 7 when it's going well, but when I can hit fairways, I score pretty good. So I'm looking forward to this beast. It's a great place to learn out here too. It's a short course, work on the short game, and I guess the temptation coming to a driving range is pulling big stick and trying to hit over the back fence. So it's a good way to start the game out here.
Let's get into it, eh? This is the grand unveiling of the club. I'll take these old ones, chuck them in the bin.
Oh, they're already set up for me. Look at that. There's my go-to.
Is it?
Sort of 220 off the tee.
The big dog.
That's the dog.
So I note that you have the #1 golfing coach in the country, Reece Bishop.
Yeah, he's got his work cut out. That's for sure.
Yeah, he's my coach as well, but he just shakes his head and walks away. I
do that, Hobbs. I do that for everybody.
We're now going to witness Beauden Barrett hitting 270 off the tee. Yeah, baby! Yeah! Woo! So I'm here with Kiwi Rugby League legend Richie Barnett, who has just had his first practice on the Stealth 2 TaylorMade. First impressions?
My first 2 were shocking. Then this baby here just unleashed a 266. 266 landed 244. She's coming good.
Have you ever hit 266 metres in your life with any other club?
No, I haven't. So this is, and I'm only starting with it. So clearly this has given me the distance, and clearly there's a lot to go. TaylorMade, it's the one. Love it.
You heard it from Kiwi League legend Richie Barnett. Back to you in the studio.
All right, Shaun, we've got a bit of a care package here for you. We know that league's obviously the #1 sport, but we'd like to think golf's getting up there as a #2 sport, that's for sure. Come over here and
Okay.
a little bit of forgiveness. I think you actually need it, right?
I've got no excuse now, eh? I've actually got no excuses. Wow.
So inside here, we've got the latest driver, 60 layers of carbon. We've got a slightly bigger grip on for you, which is good.
Okay.
This is a weapon.
This is a weapon.
Have you ever had a driver like that before? I tell you what I really like about you is your enthusiasm for golf. Like playing, like even like really hardcore golfers don't have your enthusiasm.
I actually
and
love it.
when you came in that day and started hitting some shots, I was like, we've got to look after this guy with some gear.
Yeah.
And so that's what we've done. So we've also got the fairway wood, matching fairway wood for you as well.
Now, this is a club that I need in the bag. Oh, look at that, bro. Look at blacked out.
So it's probably the best fairway wood on the market at the moment. We've got a titanium face. We've got a 50 gram movable weight. So what that does is that we can move that weight back, right? We'll play it as standard at the moment. If you move this weight further back, right to the back, it makes it much more forgiving and hits the ball really high.
Okay.
Now, you don't need particular help hitting the ball high. So you might notice what's happened is that we've actually pushed it a long way forward. And in doing that, it flattens the ball out. So I think it's set up ready for you to hit.
Hey.
This is a little bit of fun that I think TaylorMade has had. These are the actual official tees, which is interesting from a height perspective, what the guys actually use on tour. So if you look at Tiger Woods and Rory, they don't use a particularly high tee.
Wow.
So this is the actual tees that they're actually used. So they did a little box.
Yeah.
So you can have some fun with your mates, feeling like they're Tiger Woods or maybe Rory, maybe Matt Wolf or whatever, but that's the actual tee. And you'll notice, a lot of guys talk about how high they tee it in order to get maximum distance.
Yeah.
You've got 2 players, 3 players best in the world using really short sort of standard tees. So a little tip from the tour maybe for that.
All right.
Enough golf balls to get you through the first 9.
Yep, beauty. Thank you.
A few red tees. These are promotional tees for Stealth.
Yep.
Obviously, there's a common theme. They love Tiger Woods. Stealth in that colour is all you. So if you can seed a few of those on the golf course, it'll be good. Guaranteed not to break. And then the last but not least is a little thing. When you hit the greens, We want you to look after the greens a little bit here, Estelle. And actually, I think that one's designed to that you can open bottles as well. So
Okay.
enjoy those. And, thanks for supporting Golf Warehouse and the initiatives that we're doing. We really appreciate you and your enthusiasm.
No,
and
thank you very much,
hope
mate.
you have a great year this year.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Bought it this morning. This is his first test run. Watch Clint go. Here we go, here we go. Shaun Johnson, Hibiscus Coast. Nice ball. Oh, bro, can you stop? Like Beauden's next to you, make him look bad. So, ladies and gentlemen, here I am with the man himself, the GM of TaylorMade, not New Zealand, no, Australasia. Ty Orette. Ty, your first time in New Zealand, first impressions?
Yeah, I love it. I mean, the only thing that we all, honestly, just like you guys in South Africa, we're massive rugby union fans, and I've obviously watched a lot of matches over here. And a couple of times we've managed to win. Those are big moments for us. But yeah, an awesome treat. I mean, I've heard so many good things about the golf courses over here. I'm a mad fisherman. I know your waters have such good fishing. So hopefully I'll get to experience that one day. But overall, we've got a great partner over here. We know that the New Zealanders are a great sporting nation. And to be here and when we're launching the new product in golf, it's fantastic. I'm loving it. We're on this carbon journey, right? I mean, we launched Stealth, where we were the first manufacturer to bring out a carbon face, and what that really allowed us to do was take that weight saving, redistribute it in the head. That kind of enhances the forgiveness, new technology in the golfing world. And what we've done this time around, we've just enhanced it, right? So we were able to take that face technology, make it even better, make it a bit lighter, add more carbon. We've got way more carbon in the Stealth 2 than we did in the Stealth 1.
Is it legal?
Oh, of course it's legal.
Is it, like, it sounds to me like it's cork in a baseball bat.
Well, it's like a cheating code in gaming, right? That's what they're saying. So really what we're able to do is really save some mass where we needed to, put it in areas where we need to make the driver more forgiving, hence the tagline of forgiveness. But we really have taken last year's driver and made it better. A way more playable driver than the previous generation.
So the thing that impresses me about this club is, the pros can use it, but amateurs like myself can use it. Seriously, my carry is normally about 180, and, if I can get to 200 with a drive, for me, for a 60-year-old man, that's pretty good. But I had half a dozen hits out there, and I was landing them out at 210, 212 and rolling them out to 220. So what makes this club different? Usually those pro clubs, amateurs like me can't use them.
Yeah, first of all, if you can get it at 200, the proof's in the pudding that this product performs. But what we've done is we've got 3 models, right? We've got the Plus, which is the adjustable, where you can move the weight in the sole of the club. So we really can tweak it. And then we've got the standard one that doesn't have the adjustability on the face, but you've got the adjustability in the loft, where you can go 2 up and 2 down. And then we've got another model called the HD model, which is a draw bias model, bringing out 3 different versions of this product. Allows us to fit golfers of all performance levels.
Carbon fiber's changed the game, hasn't it?
Yeah, it absolutely has. I mean, the strength of carbon fiber and what you can do with it, and it just allows us to redistribute weight. We're trying to find forgiveness, and the higher the MOI is, the moment of inertia creates stability in the head. So at impact, you got resistance to twisting and all that good stuff. Carbon allows us to use discretionary weight and just put it in the right areas of the driver.
It's been great chatting.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Back to you in the studio.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also check out our awesome content over here. We'll see you soon.